breaking down the risks and rewards of global trade, the news you need to know, real-world actionable advice, and even a little fun and unique content you won't get anywhere else, like the most random and interesting thing you'll hear all day. Subscribe to the Worldwide Exchange podcast today.
Welcome back to Options Action. We are following the latest developments out of China as Beijing continues its crackdown on big tech. The KWEB ETF that tracks Chinese tech stocks tumbling again today after posting its best. Welcome back to Options Action. We are following the latest developments out of China as Beijing continues its crackdown on big tech. The KWEB ETF that tracks Chinese tech stocks tumbling again today after posting its best day ever just yesterday. Carter, you actually called this week's China bounce in a note to clients on Tuesday. So how are you taking a look at the space now? What do you make of this action that we saw?
Sure. I just have one chart, and we can look at it. It's a two-panel, and talk about why that call was made. And sometimes you can just make a one-day call. It didn't articulate that, but let's look at it. So the top panel is the Chinese internet ETF, and the bottom panel, it's looking at how far above or below the ETF is trading in relation to its 150-day moving average. And so at the peak, we were exactly 39% above the 150-day, and on the low, we were hitting around $45. We were exactly 39% below.